Welcome to this video. This is a review of AVATrade.com. This is their AVATrade trading platform. In this video I'm going to go through this platform, talk about leverage, spread, the layout of the platform, how to customize the charts, and then I'll spend some time on the web-based trading platform and give an overview of other trading platforms offered by AVATrade. Now, over the last 12 months I have done a lot of broker reviews, and I have to say that AVATrade definitely comes into my top 5 recommended brokers. AVATrade is a FX and CFD broker. It was founded in 2006. It has offices internationally and its headquarters are in Dublin, Ireland. As mentioned, this is their desktop based platform, which is called AVATrader. When you log into AVATrader, your screen will look very similar to the screen I have in front of me. Dealing rates down the side here, we have a chart, an open positions box and an orders box, and I'll go through everything quite extensively in this video. So you'll notice the broker offers a wide variety of currency pairs. Any currency pair commonly traded is offered by AVATrade. The broker also offers indices, commodities, and a few miscellaneous instruments such as Twitter shares. This will be a good time to now look at spreads. On the desktop AVATrader platform, spreads are fixed. So the Euro USD is currently at 3 pips, the pound against the dollar 4, the dollar yen 3, the dollar Swiss franc is fixed at 4. The Australian dollar is at 4 pips and the dollar Canadian dollar is also at 4 pips. AVATrade also offer the MetaTrader trading platform, and if you were to go down that route you have the option of having variable spreads. If we bring up the AVATrade website, we can view all the spreads offered by the broker. So let's go to FX floating. Okay, so once again let's look at spreads. The Euro USD, the typical variable spread is 1.8. The pound against the dollar is 3.1. The dollar yen is 1.6. The dollar Canadian dollar is 2.8. The dollar Swiss franc is 2.9, and the Australian dollar against the US dollar is 2.7. Spreads on indices and commodities is variable and is competitive. For example, the Dow Jones is currently at a 1 point spread, the Nasdaq is 1 point spread, SMI futures is jumping between 3 and 4 point spread. And then we have variable competitive spreads on commodities. So what is the leverage offered by AVATrade? On the AVATrader trading platform, the general setting for currency pairs is a leverage of 200 to 1. On the MetaTrading platform it's 400 to 1. There are a couple of currency pairs where that leverage setting is different, but for the majority it's at 200 to 1 for the AVATrader platform and 400 to 1 for MetaTrader. And then commodities and indices are at a margin of 2 to 3% for the majority of indices and commodities. So let's spend some time looking at the chart offered on the trading platform. So this is the Euro USD, it's a 4-hourly chart. We can change the financial instrument by this drop down box here, and the time frame. All the commonly traded time frames are offered. tick, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hourly, 2 hourly, 4 hourly, 8 hourly, daily, weekly and monthly. If we want to make the chart bigger, simply just maximize the box and we can get a chart that covers the platform screen. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, we have a default zoom, we can have an auto vertical axis or a manual axis, which I currently have. If I click auto, it's adjusted as I move horizontally. We can choose to have a crosshair on our chart, and then we have the option of having this detail window for our crosshair open or not. So let's get rid of that detail window and zoom out a bit. This next icon along is our chart indicators. Any commonly used chart indicator is offered on the platform, and here's a list of them all. So let's add a Stochastic Rsi. We simply highlight the indicator we want, click the arrow to move it into our active indicators box, and then the indicators are fully customizable. With this stochastic we can have an RSA type, a period, how it's calculated. It's currently on close, but we can have open, high, etc. We can change the color, the thickness, the style, and there are also some advanced settings for each indicator. Once we're happy, we simply click apply, it appears on our chart, click OK, and we have our indicator. Let's look at a moving average. So moving average, bring it across. Let's set that at a period of 21. We want simple. We can also have exponential, weighted and smoothed. Calculated on close. Let's have it green and let's have it nice and thick so you can see it clearly on this video. Click apply and it's added to our chart behind. Something I really like about these chart indicators is we can choose to have them visible or not. So we could have a number of active indicators set at different periods and different settings, and then just simply click visible or unclick visible to have the indicators visible on our graph. So I've unticked visible. If I click apply, that moving average is now gone. If I wanted to bring it up, all I need to do is quite simply come into this screen, click visible, click apply, and it's there. So you could have a number of moving averages set at different periods and just make them visible when you need. Further along on these icons, we can print our chart, we can save chart data to file, we can have chart data viewed in a table, so we have our open, high, low and close and time periods. We can save our chart as a picture, so we take a screenshot of our chart, which is great for forums or trading logs. And then we can save our current chart. So if I click save and save this as Forex minute, click OK, I'll show later on in the video how we can bring this chart back so it's saved to the platform and we can bring it back when it's needed. We have a number of objects we can draw, such as trend lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, Fibonacci retracement. So let's do some Fibonacci retracement. Simply click and drag. Just like everything else on this chart, the objects are fully customizable. So if we click on our Fibonacci retracement, click on the objects menu again, click object settings, we can change the color, the percentages, the width and style. Click apply, click OK, and that will be changed. To get rid of objects, click on them, click delete on your keypad, or click on this menu here and click remove selected objects. We can choose if we would like our open position shown on the chart. So when I open a position in a couple of minutes, you'll see it shows on the chart, but we can have that setting off. We can show orders on our chart, we can show price alerts on our chart, or we can choose not to have them on our chart. Price can be displayed in candlestick, in bar and in line, like so. And then we have a settings icon to change common settings such as candlestick, bar and line. If we want vertical and horizontal grids, and we can change the colors of the chart. So like I said, it's fully customizable. When I'm looking for a broker, I want a broker who has a fully customizable trading platform. I want my charts to look a certain way, and not all brokers offer fully customizable charts, but AVATrade does. So that's the chart. We can put it back to its default size by clicking maximize icon. So let's open a position. There are two ways to open a position. We can simply right click on our chart, click buy or sell, or we can click these buy and sell icons at the top here, and these icons are also under trade. Let's right click, click buy. We get this new position box open. We can choose our instrument, the amount we wish to invest. It tells us the current rate of the currency pair or financial instrument, and then we can set stop losses and take profits. Click OK, and you'll see the position is executed very quickly. We have a little green circle appear on our chart here and a triangle here telling us we have gone long at that level. And in our open positions we have our position we just opened, so the instrument, the amount we invested if we went long or short, buy or sell, the rate we opened, the current rate of the market, our profit and loss in pips, and our profit and loss in monetary value. We can hedge positions by right clicking on our position and clicking hedge position. Choose the amount we wish to invest in our hedge position, click OK, and it will simply open a position opposite to our current position. So we had a long position, now we have a short position also. If we click on trade, we can also hedge a position by using the icon at the top here. When we want to close a position, we can right click and click close, or we can use the icon once again under trade for close position. But let's close that position. When we close a position, we can choose how much we want to close the position by, so we can part close a position. Not all brokers offer this, but I think it's very handy to be able to close half a position or 25% of a position. Let's close that fully down. We can set stop and limit orders with these icons here, entry orders, and we can also set price alerts. So the current rate is 1.3530. If we set it at 35, click OK, and we should get a price alert appear sometime soon. There we go, so our price was reached. We have that sound and a box appeared telling us that our rate has been reached. Under the Home tab, we can open a new chart. We can also view the instrument catalogue, so all the instruments offered by the broker. If we want to simplify our dealing rates and chart options, we can unsubscribe from the instruments we're not interested in trading. So if we trade just a handful of currency pairs, we can unsubscribe from everything else by highlighting and clicking unsubscribe, so that our platform is simplified and we only have instruments offered that we trade. This top ribbon here will open a variety of different windows and give us a different platform view. So we're currently on Forex. If we click on CFD, you'll notice we just have CFDs offered on our quote panel and dealing rates, and the chart is a slightly different size. Under fundamental analysis, we have upcoming news events, the importance of those events, and the currencies they should affect. We have a charts tab, where we can have a number of charts open on the platform, a video tutorial tab, a reports tab such as an account statement, a news tab given live news data. We then have a tab for a Forex support site that gives Forex insights, and then a trading education site. Under the charts tab, we can open new charts, and we can reload saved charts. So if you remember earlier on in this video, I saved a chart. So let's click Save Charts. There's our Forex minute that we saved. Click Open, and our chart will open just as we saved it. So let's get rid of that. Because the platform is powered by Act Forex, we have a tab for ActFX and Forex apps. So that's the AVATrade desktop platform. I highly recommend this platform. I love how customizable it is, not just the charts but the platform itself. At the top here there's a settings icon where we can change the font and the color, the sounds, the time zone of the platform. So we can fully customizable the platform as well as charts. I like the fast execution, and also just other quirky features about the platform, such as closing part of a position and to be able to view news events and fundamentals at a click of a button. So that's the AVATrade desktop platform. Let's quickly have a look at their web-based platform. This is the web-based AVATrade. I'm not going to spend much time on this platform because it's the same as the desktop platform. It's just simplified and the layout is slightly different. For example, our account balance and information is at the top. On the AVATrade it was down the bottom, and our icons are on the side, whereas on the AVATrade they were on the top. So the platform is very similar, it's just a lot more simplified. There are not as many chart settings, and there are not as many icons and options, and the platform is not as customizable. So it's just a simplified version of their desktop platform. AVATrade also offer a number of other platforms such as MetaTrader. They also offer a MetaTrader web platform. Under trading platforms here you'll see their full list of trading platforms such as mobile trading. AVATrade also offer an AVA options platform if you're interested in trading options, and a number of automated trading platforms such as Zulu Trader, Mirror Trader and API trading. So that's AVATrade. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out other reviews and other videos on our website www.forexminute.com.